Hello guys! Today I will show you how to add an animation to Google Sites. So, open Lofty Files website here. Click on the first link. Now, in the dashboard, just select the animation that you want to add. For example, we're gonna select this one. Click on Download. Click on Open. You already downloaded this, but you have the download option here. Now click on Handoff and choose the embed HTML code. Just copy it here. Get back to Rubrik Sites, and in the Insert Add Embed and Add Embed code and paste the copied code from the file's website. Click on Next. And here you have already the body of your animation. And when you're done, customize it, click on Insert. And here you have successfully added your animation in a few simple steps here. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and share our content.